Enjoy incredible sunsets from this custom waterfront home with western views. Located just past the point on the highly desirable Brawley Peninsula, the lot has about 222 feet of shoreline, private boat ramp, pier, and covered double floating slips. Room for a 36x18 pool. Inside, a dream kitchen awaits with a 6-burner Wolf gas stove, double ovens, new dishwasher and icemaker, new sinks, extensive quartzite counters, updated cabinetry, sub-zero refrigerator, and a custom-designed butler's pantry west/wine refrigerator and a Miele espresso/coffee system. Soak in the views while dining from the new all-seasons air/heat-conditioned sunroom. Primary bedroom on main level west/custom wardrobes/drawers and superb ensuite bath. Downstairs, 3 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, family room west/fireplace, laundry and storage. Covered terrace at lake level. HVAC and septic new in 2021. Room for pool house and 3-car garage with in-law suite. Architectural drawings for garage and in/law suite convey. No hoa.